Hey everybody, we are doing a really cool project, so I wanted to show you real quick today. The Joker Jeep is here and it looks spectacular and I love it. So check this out. It's a purple Jeep and we're putting Joker graphics on it. Jeremiah's finishing up and I'm in his way. So we have Laughing, we have Cartoon Joker and Harley, we have cards. And it looks really cool, so check it out, folks. If you want to do something really cool that fits your personality on your car, Jeep, truck, van, trailer, boat, whatever, come on out here and get it done, because this is crazy cool if you're into the Joker. Or Batman. We could do the same thing with Batman, but it's not as fun. So, we got a few other things in the shop, of course. We're working on some advertising wraps for Bug Commander. Creative Nightscapes is in here. And we always have a Reliant van in the shop because we love those folks. So, if you want to get something done this week, give us a shout. We have some installation spots available for hoods and roofs. We're running a special right now, $225 for a hood or a roof in any color we have. And an ad wrap, we could get you started. We can get something started this week. So give us a shout. Thanks for checking it out. Happy Monday, everybody.